I've given cheat meals.
Serial number 1, Mr. Vaibhav Vyas, Ms. Prachi Upadhyay, Government Product.
One would recall previous occasion, Manoj has given a lot that chart. This chart and a compilation of judgments, which would briefly indicate the history of this
You can take a seat. I'll take up one by one matter. No hodgepodge.
Now, more or less, my lord, this issue is decided in all corners. What will now we have to be verified is because there are a plethora of petitions and the state government not being the direct employer, or not having their service details, I, my lords, proposed that a few things can be done. The petitioners may approach their respective DDOs, the district government officers, my lord, with their service details. There are a few factors which have to be verified. That when they entered into service, whether ad hoc, contractual, whatever, when many of them are now regularized also. All of them. All of them. I don't know. So when such regularization happened, whether they are still in service, because judgments which I indicated last time, my lords, the division bench in 3 judgments has held that if you are not in service as on date, these judgments are not applicable to you. And this 3-4 points which can
So we can also further bifurcate this group into some other categories also.
The problem which will be that I agree. I have no reason to disbelieve my learned friend, but he has a lot of matters. There are different panchayats involved. I am one, the state government. I do not have any of the service details. So it will become very hard for me to give a thumbs up to the submissions made by the learned friend. That is why I had proposed or suggested to the Honorable Court and requested that a formal order could have been passed. Probably we did not reach to a consensus on the last occasion.
In fact, that would be done. That can be done.
Some of the lawyers of the petitioner have not agreed.
I am not averse to the verification of my service details.
Or then I have a second suggestion. If it appeals to stop, there are more than 200 matters today. If we can, list at least 20 matters every day on a separate notified board, and if it appeals to Honorable Court, may take about 15 every day. We can also verify it, the panchayats can also verify it, and then we can pass it, separate orders. If it appeals to Honorable, that was suggestion.
Just a second. Yes. So whatever you suggest.
But I would suggest not if it appeals to
ले लो जितनी वैभव ने चालू करी है.
एक point है.
I suggest that common order will suffice because otherwise it will be sports type and departments type.
This is what I was suggesting.
That time there was no consensus between amongst you.
Sir, what you that day was there was some misunderstanding. What was conveyed was कि जब अन्य petitioners जे छे आदिश साहिब सामने, they all are in service. He said we don't know. So we said okay, we'll go to the concerned DDO.
So that is what he was saying.
that is what we also propose that not verification should be done.
The DDO, we will give our 3 weeks में ये लोग exercise complete करें, and another 2 weeks they make the payment.
We will need some more time. My
So ultimately, all the petitioners first of all will have to go before the TDO or DDO.
District Development Officer.
District Development Officer.
Of the concerned panchayat.
So we will ultimately call for details from the CDHO, the Chief District Health Officer, who's
तो DDO में पावे ना.
they say
Ultimately, they will. So all the petitioner initially at the first stage, they will go to the DDO with all their particulars, and the DDO after verifying their particulars and having whatever the record with him, then forward to the state government, Panchayat department, Panchayat department.
Yes.
now there is
So
another.
ultimately, first stage, this inquiry at the stage at the end of the DDO shall have to be done within 21 days or 1 month.
Sir,
I am not for everybody, but my lord,
Yes, sir, there are multiple
Lord, verification of record, whole records, many are there.
1 month I am giving.
But sir, થોડે આપો sir. હવે બધા લાભ મળી ગયેલા છે. At least some adjustment is will be made. So 6
Alright.
weeks.
All right, we can grant 3 months to them. DDO to verify everything within 3 months. You will have to send entire report or the composite proposal, whatever,
Each employee will.
each employee wise to the state, and after receipt of that, state will pass appropriate order within 3 months thereafter. In all 6 months.
Now, one more aspect. I had indicated this is the last occasion as well. There are multiple matters today wherein these petitioners are serving with the National Health Mission. This is completely different. They will want to say that we are at par with them, but that is something, Manoj, which will have to be argued. I believe my Mr. Jadeja will second me on this.
I agree completely with him. Suppose कोई person who is not belonging to panchayat has come, his case may be segregated or may be refused. And you are not eligible.
I had
then
suggested
his
that the
case-
advocates may, Manoj, voluntarily and tell that, sir, I'm
So
at
he is right to the extent, ultimately, say, like Mr. Vyas and Mr. Upadhyay says, are all petitioners are working with the panchayat,
Yes, yes.
not with the missions. So I can take up his matter and pass an order. If other lawyer is having tens of matter, he will have to say that how many petitioners of that is in panchayat or in mission. So if panchayat I can pass same order, mission we can keep aside.
કારણ કે petition માં તો દરેકમાં લખ્યું છે કે they are all with the panchayat.
Lord, Lord, I would say this.
So I'll pass the order with caveat. Only those candidates
Yes.
case can be considered. Those are in the panchayat service.
It's like who were initially appointed on contractual basis, ad hoc basis, or in any other capacity by the district panchayat, not for any national health mission.
Yes, sir. Only panchayat.
Yes, not with.
Only panchayat.
Some of only panchayat regular.
petitioner were not actually service now.
Panchayat.
They are also we got this. Let me get that very.
So video person is inside.
Because, sir, reason why I had, my lord, suggested this verification to be done is because of the plethora of matters today. Sir, I could have requested this honorable court कि साहब हमने आपको बेने समय में एक matter verify कर सो. This would have, my lord, lingered this matters all along. The reason why I requested this honorable court to pass a common order is that let us verify. If they have the service details, we cannot go beyond it. हमें हवा में तो किसी नहीं डाली सकती. And now we cannot go beyond the judgments of this honorable court.
The matter can be kept pending, sir, if that is the case. This is the best solution.
No, that is the zero solution.
હવે સાહેબ 3 મહિનામાં એ લોકોને
અરે ભાઈ સુરત સાહેબ સમજોતા નથી તો પેન્ડિંગ ના રખાય.
नहीं नहीं सर पूरी.
હા,
સાહેબ પૂરી કરીએ તો 3 મહિનાના ટાઈમ બ્રેકેજમાં કરીએ સાહેબ. પછી 6 months will be too long.
3 months તો આપવા પડે ને.
But in fact what is.
So 1 month he said 3 weeks, sir.
No.
1 month.
ના થઈ શકે.
DDO in 1 month and then government in 3 months.
Not possible. 3 months DDO, 3 months state government.
One month. Earlier benches had given 3 months for the complete exercise. What minors didn't fit, minors will pass.
Yes.
The private
Yeah,
area
but-
is made in the private area, it is regularized a pass. It has been not as a as an ad hoc employee in the different panchayats. Most panchayats are not known as a party.
Not
They
required.
were not required. If an officer passes an order to forward the proposal after scrutinizing whether they are benefited or not, or whether they are fulfilling or not. Because we won't be having those data in the panchayat.
You are for the panchayat.
Yes. Therefore, this is what my friend submitted with the verification from our end is required because of this fact. So for one matter is concerned serial number 104, where one of the petitioner was earlier serving in the Surat Panchayat. Her service records are not produced before this honorable court. Only a statement is made in the petition that at present she is serving in the Valsad district Panchayat. So even if we want to forward the proposal, we will not be having the record of the Surat district inside. Therefore, we have the verification from our end and the production of documents is.
But that is what I am saying. Ultimately, all the petitioner, ultimately, all the petitioner will approach the respective district panchayat with whatever the record they have. The panchayat will inquire, satisfy, examine within 3 months, and then forward it to the state government.
Please.
All right.
May I just in 456 to 450.
How many in total? How many panchayats are there?
Almost all.
Sorry?
That's the first matter of Mr. Vyas matter, so that.
Miss, may I?
Yes, can have the benefit of that.
I'm sorry.
Just to give you the breakdown. Yes.
Yes. चालू कर दो.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Just
Please, sir,
since my lords are passing common order minutes, in 456 to 459 is a civil application for amendment that may also be allowed minutes seeking actual benefit.
वो चला जी.
Or common order था जी लंबड़ से भाई मार खाली.
बोल.
Note, all the petitioners before the honorable court had initially joined the service of the panchayat on ad hoc basis, for contractual period of 11 months. But this was for the reason.
Just a second. At ad hoc basis,
Or a contractual, madam.
ad hoc stroke contractual.
So both are on very different footing, but the petitioners could be either, madam.
Then
Note, their initial appointment was in the fixed for the fixed.
साहब आप ad hoc stroke contract लग ना सर I request कि ad hoc और contractual क्योंकि यदि आपके यहाँ पर 40 के बने वो अलग पड़े
all right. Initial appointment.
On contractual basis, not
Yes.
ad hoc basis. Not after
In
appointment,
a fixed pay.
not so far as multi-purpose health workers are concerned, but they were granted fixed pay. As far as female health workers are concerned, not those who were appointed prior to 2010, they were granted regular pay. And after the appointments which are after 2010, they were granted fixed pay, but that will not change the complexion of the
All
matter.
right. So I'm not recording that.
Now, not after their initial appointment on contractual basis, but this there is a sanctioned setup of the district panchayat. Not all these posts were lying vacant. The panchayat were in the need of health workers. Therefore, not all these appointments were made pursuant to advertisement in the newspaper. Not, therefore, it is not the case even of the panchayat that backdoor entry. Not thereafter they passed through the regular process of selection.
Just a second. So can we say that the initial appointment was made by way of regular recruitment process?
No.
Can't be said.
Sir,
क्योंकि परीक्षा पास करनी पड़ता है, they have to appear.
recognized recruitment rules or anything.
So it was just my publishing advertisement.
Yes, because
As a stopgap
as a stopgap arrangement to see to it that healthcare services which are available to the citizens do not suffer.
Just a second. Yes.
But thereafter, all of them appeared in the regular process of selection. They passed the competitive exam.
Just a second. Past
Regular process of selection, and they can to be regularly appointed.
yes. On a one particular day.
On different days.
All right.
2012 on 8.7, those pointers to be verified.
Yes. That verification is required to be done. Right? There is no doubt about
પછી છે ને અત્યારે બેઝિક આપી દો પછી પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વેરિફિકેશન આપણે લખીએ છીએ.
Now, my lord, the policy of the government provides that if an ad hoc appointment is followed by a regular process of selection, for the benefit of continuity of service for the purpose of pay, leave, and pension is required to be granted.
That is a policy.
That is the state government policy.
Come again slowly.
Not there. There is a GR.
Those who are appointed ad hoc
Please note.
or contractual.
Yes. Am I ad hoc? No, let's say.
All right. Or
Yes.
ad hoc or contractual on a sanction setup by stopgap and then regularized
and they clear the regular process of selection through,
regular appointment.
yes,
So in
through the recruiting agency, not.
so in
Yes.
in those cases, what to do?
In those cases, not the period of earlier service on ad hoc basis is required to be taken into consideration
Considered
for the purpose of leave, pay, and pension.
leave, pay, pension.
Therefore, it is the case of the petitioner that irrespective of that, not since that initial appointment came to be subsequently not regularized through after passing of the competitive examination, as per the policy of the government itself, they are required to be granted this benefit. Not there is one additional factor, not the earlier group of petitions which came to be preferred, but were on the premise that not there were large number of multi-purpose health workers who were working with the authorities of the district panchayat. Not they were serving for long period of time. Not they prepared a petition before this honorable court saying that their services may be regularized. Not their petition came to be allowed by this honorable court.
So they were regularized.
They are regularized.
Not by way of regular mode of service.
Yes, Lord. They did not even clear the not regular process of selection.
The reason which was given out is that because you have crossed that age of
No,
appearing.
not only that, Lord.
Kumari's judgment, my lord, if I'm not wrong.
There was one of the factors which was taken into consideration while granting the benefit of regularization, that many of them might have now crossed even the age limit, upper age limit. My lord, this was followed by the first judgment was of my lord Justice Abhilasha Kumari.
6289.
6289.
મારું ચાર્ટમાં અને એમાં છે બધું.
What was in 6289? Those are the employees who were never
They did not clear the regular process of selection at any
passed
point
through
of time.
the regular process of
Yes,
selection.
sir.
So they were directly regularized.
They were directly regularized.
The same and this multi-purpose.
Same, yes, same category. Or thereafter, it was followed. Or that judgment of this honorable court was followed in subsequent judgment delivered in SCA 12537. Not that came to be challenged before this honorable court. The LPA came to be dismissed by this honorable court. SLP also came to be dismissed by the honorable Supreme Court. Those 322 employees came to be granted benefit of regularization from their initial date of joining on ad hoc basis. Thereafter, this set of petitions came to be preferred before.
They are on better footing. Then.
Exactly, my lord. The ground before this honorable court was to the effect that they are on a better footing, not because they cleared the competitive examination as well. But out of those 322 employees, not they either participated or they did not participate in the regular process of selection. However, pursuant to the orders passed by this honorable court, they came to be granted all the benefits. Now we are not better placed.
So just
Therefore, my lord, earlier round of in the earlier petitions of similar nature came to be allowed by this honorable court, saying that these employees are required to be granted the benefit.
Where is that order?
Justice Vaishnavi order 6707.
આ થોડું second કે આમાં થોડું ડેવલપમેન્ટ પણ છે. Said the second order passed in SCA 12537 of 2011 was carried in appeal. Let us just
But
go.
this review was for the reason that my lord, subsequently many petitions came to be preferred.
But what the learned division bench in review held was page 85, paragraph 68. And just I'll read, my lord. Thus, in view of the reiteration of law on the issue of regularization in the aforementioned judgments, the mode of appointments of multipurpose health worker in both the cases, that is the petition and the present case, even if it is to be treated as separate and distinct, the same will have no bearing on the issue of regularization. That is, ad hoc and contractual will not have any bearing on regularization. In view of the established fact that the initial appointment of the respondent, MPHWs, who were appointed at the relevant time, cannot be labeled as illegal. Those who have appointed illegally have already failed before this honorable court. Hence, they cannot be extended the benefits of regulation. The state government can always scrutinize their cases and deny the benefits at any stage. But in cases of those MPHWs who were appointed through a selection process pursuant to the issuance of advertisement and have fulfilled the conditions of the advertisements cannot be denied regularization in view of a settled legal precedent. It is a right position that a valuable right of citizen cannot be permitted to be taken away only because there is a possibility of floodgate of litigation, so on and so on. Conclusion and order. The judge. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
By virtue of this, even the verification is not required to be done.
Conclusion, sir. But in case selection process, so verification must occur, sir, because we do not have the details. So only के आज है, sir, when you have entered into service, ad hoc contract मुझे पर हुआ है. When did you obtain a regular mode of service? Whether you are still in service as on to date, all that has just to be verified. I'm not saying that this will.
So now this review
Yes, sir.
is now attend its finality.
No. It is before the Supreme Court. It has been stayed. It is
What the reason? Not there is a reason. Not this. There is a specific averment in the review petition preferred by the state government. SLP preferred by the state government, saying that on the basis of this, the review petition came to be dismissed. The honorable court has observed in the review petition that this benefit will have to be extended to all the members of the Committee.
322 in number.
Now, no. So far as members of the committee are concerned, not those are 3,509 members. There is a reference in the judgment itself. Therefore, the state government approached the Supreme Court saying that while dismissing the review petition, the honorable court has expanded the scope. And Lord,
So that expanded scope is state or enter judgment is state?
no.
Are you, sir? No, sir.
ये पछि तो orders पण છે.
Today, an entitlement of them being regularized is not into question. That is now settled by multiple judgments of this honorable court. What is to
So
be
just give me the details of those. Now, let us don't complex the thing further. Since we are putting an end with no further or detail any findings and observations.
my lord?
These are the basic specs.
Yes.
Now, their right has been crystallized also.
Yes.
Now, show me that decision.
The last.
Lord, in my petition, Lord, the last judgment which I have annexed, Lord, is of 25/7/2024, 28.
28.
Yes, sir.
This is exactly the same one.
Yes, sir.
But sir, the reason. So one aspect. I'm sorry.
Paragraph 2. The petitioners pray to acknowledge their initial contractual service to be considered.
Just a second. Paragraph
2 on page
yes.
29 and 28 bottom.
So this is what exactly the same.
Yes, same sir.
That's it.
Give me that.
So this can
No, ultimately, my lord,
certain modification. We can pass this same order.
the ultimate directions on page 35. my lord.
Here the issue was कि एक के बे matters आपकी थी.
ના ના એક મિનિટ આ રહ્યું છે પ્લીઝ આપું એક જ મિનિટ but this
one-
in contempt no the state government has passed this order my lord.
My learned friend is not even listening to what I'm trying to say. સાહેબ આજે મઈ જસ્ટિસ મઈનો ઓર્ડર રિફર કરે છે સાહેબ it has around 6 or 7 matters. It would become prudently human for anybody appearing in that court at that time.
Mr. What I'm saying is formation of this order can be adopted.
Absolutely.
Adopted and by couching a last clause.
My request for me.
I'll say that verification and then
Grateful.
3 months.
Great show.
3 months. Yes, yes.
Great.
Perfect. Perfect.
Some of the petitions, the parties are the petitioners are still contractual employees who are working under the mission.
So I'll say that those who are working under the mission, that cases cannot be right now considered.
Please take my request.
That will be observed.
What he is trying to say is about one matter of mine, which I had already on the last occasion said this is not of this group.
Today it is not listed.
No, it is listed. એટલે એને નંબર કીધું ને.
તો જાડેજા સાહેબનું હોઈ શકે બીજાનું ના હોય.
ના, આ મેટર એ દિવસે પણ કીધેલું is not of this group, so that may be segregated. એ મેટર તમે લખી લો.
Like from
But, but actually,
મેટર છે જ નહીં.
so
Item
far as the
68 માઇલ.
So that one line will not hamper anybody's cause. That one line of observation of this honorable court will not hamper anybody's cause.
નહીં નહીં વાંધો નથી સર
Anybody's.
Not what happened, my lord. NRHM ની જે વાત કરે છે એ સાહેબ વાત સાચી છે. Lord, on the sanctioned post of female health workers, my lord, to see to it that lord, the National Health Mission, which was the initiative of the central government, એમાં જે citizens ને facilities આપવાની હોય એ હેમ્પર ના થાય એટલા માટે સાહેબ એપોઇન્ટમેન્ટ તો જિલ્લા પંચાયતે જ કરી પણ એવું કીધું કે ભાઈ this is
So it is a separate setup or scheme altogether. Setup alag
therefore, my lord, if they are
we
not
get
the employees
60% of my lord's funds from the central government. એટલે એમાં
પંચાયત ચેક કરી છું વાતો. DDO line while minors are directing the DDO, they may scrutiny.
yes, exactly.
એમાં ક્યાં ના છે? એ તો scrutiny કરશે જ ને DDO સાહેબ.
All right, chalo.
not આ petition ની અંદર order મૂક્યો છે
And one
At 28 page 28.
Lord, the initial appointment order.
one thing which my lord will again have to see is if the judgments are given. સાહેબ આપ નું index જોશો તો ત્રણ અલગ અલગ છે. વચ્ચે જે ત્રણ judgments છે are those judgments wherein those who are not in service today they are not entitled to, that is why that
Yes,
has to
yes.
be verified.
Yes.
And second, third,
Now
Email
tell me the points of verification.
yes, one, type date of entry in service, either contractual or ad hoc, whatever it is.
Just a sec.
Ji sir.
Then
Second, when regularized, as in when the
Date of regulation.
date of regularization, entry in regular service, whatever.
After the.
Date of regular appointment. my lord.
Date of regular appointment, yes.
Vaccination.
Regular service.
They can say the signature.
then
આગળ, આગળ.
There has been few breaks in services
That they will
for
not-
contractual where are more than 1 year, 2 years somewhere.
एक
So
second,
even that
एक
is-
second. After that.
Third, my lord, that may be also be considered, but third is that whether they are today in service or not. There may be cases where they are not regularized, whether they are in service or not.
No, those who are regular in service, they
સાહેબ, બધા રેગ્યુલર નહીં હોય, બધાને બધા થોડી
એટલે
રેગ્યુલર.
રિટાયર થઈ જાય તો અલગ વસ્તુ છે
ના બધા રેગ્યુલર છે એમ કે છે.
સાહેબ, that is the reason I do not know
let's
that
them verify no difficulty.
whether they are presently in service or not.
Yes.
And whether they are of any other mission or not.
Whether they are the actually they were initially appointed by the panchayat or by any other agency.
Yes, yes.
Or under say
Any mission or
any
scheme.
scheme.
Mission or scheme.
Any scheme much call mission or
Appointed by panchayat or
appointed by panchayat or not. Oh, both was actual one. Sorry, sir.
And sir, then one aspect which my learned friends were operating from the panchayat may consider. Yes. It's from me. So what we have today before this honorable court is either MPHWs, multiple health workers who are males, and female health workers. In female health workers, my lords, the last category of judgments are giving them the benefits in notional.
Since
That-
they were ad hoc.
Since they were ad-
Originally ad hoc. See, multi-purpose.
Verify.
Verify.
So if they are female health workers, the benefits will be
no, that is not the case.
Then let's
આવશે વેરિફિકેશન જોતું આવશે બેનિફિટ્સ તો આપ્યા છે અત્યારે એમાં એ પડવા જેવું નથી છે મિક્સ છે મેટર
mixed.
whether આજે 200 મેટ્રોમાં બધી મિક્સ છે
સાહેબ અત્યારે the group consists of male health worker as well as female health workers. Male health workers are known as multi-purpose health worker. Female health workers are known as female health workers.
FHW. So ultimately the exercise will be the same. Same exercise. Then why do you want to distinguish it?
Very well. I'm not going into that.
Yes.
That is, I will request later.
Yes,
In regards to taking service more than 1 month, there are certain cases wherein there is a break more than 1 month.
So whether any to verify which
Major break in
This issue is never just decided in any of the matters. If such break is there, they are not entitled for that.
No, my lord, the resolution of the government provides that if there is a break in service, that is required to be taken into consideration as the leave without pay.
Yes.
And lord, even this takes into consideration lord, the
But
fact.
that is to be verified also.
Yes.
Verification. I think it was supposed to be verified. Whether any break in service or not. Yes.
Okay.
Any other suggestion from Panchayat, Munshaji?
Too much pressure on Mr. Trivedi.
It's an argument task, my lord. Hopefully, my lord will fetch it right now.
But on a lighter note, I still have support of my team and other panchayats. My lords are alone today.
We are also in support. અમે પણ બધું આપીશું.
Of course. Light on.
We are all officers of the court. Batch of petitions.
My lord, just one minute.
Yeah.
A few matters in the separately notified board, we are on advance copy since the copies were given 2-3 days back. Since my lords are directing us to verify, we are not filing VP or anything. My lords may grant us liberty if it is not.
I would believe only I have filed. Professional interest. Those who wants to file their wakalatnama can give the cheat so that I can incorporate the name. So that registry can accept. We have to increase the professional interest. In my 3 or 4 matters, I have not joined panchayat. So in those matters, I give the number. I may be permitted to join the panchayat so that they can file their wakalatnama. Jarur Nathi said, but they are saying that has to be there. Nana said, reason ko apne. Why it was not done? There are around 12 matters of mine. એમાં 7-8 માં પંચાયત છે. In 24 when Munsha Sahib છે ને અહીંયા, Munsha Sahib એવું chief matter was before the honorable chief justice in the division bench, the LPA. That time statement was made that it is the state government which is going to carry everything in appeal, and till now only the state has gone in Supreme Court. None of the panchayats have gone. So hence whatever the state does is final and approval. So that is why in those 3-4 matters I have not joined. I will give a list. I am permitted to join the panchayat this time, and I will give all of them advance copies. जब આ લોકોને પરમિશન છે VP ફાઇલ કરવાનું, આ મારો અમેન્ડમેન્ટ પરમિશન આપી.
Serial number process, serial number 15 and 22. Also, my lord, got instruction, but wakalatnama is.
So, due to amend, join the district panchayat respondents. In every I made amendment and I've made the number wise also. I'll give it to the vote master. And who will appear for those amended panchayat? Yes, I'll give it the names.
Sir, all panchayat advocates.
All panchayat advocates are here. I'll consult them. I'll take their names and I'll give it. I'll give it with names.
Can I request that for all three matters, only just kept next week only?
Which matter?
Because wherein they are incorporating the panchayat, it is just kept next week on Wednesday, because we will take concern Alatama from the panchayat.
સાહેબ આપે છે પરમિશન તો ફાઇલ વગર નામાં 2 weeks આપે છે પણ એ અપીયર થાય કે બીજા થાય પેનલ હોય ને
So what happens today, we'll follow that day, so those matters can be kept.
Ultimately, આજે એક ડ્રાફ્ટ બનાવું છું પ્લીઝ આપણે કોઈ ઉતાવળ નથી આજે પૂરું કરવાના સ્પીકિંગ મિનિટ્સ ને રિકોલ ને રિવ્યુ એટલે આજે બધું તમારે પતાવી દો બાય ધીસ વીકેન્ડ વિલ ફિનિશ અગેન ચાર
I'm sorry. There were 456 to 459 regular boards. I have referred civil application for amendment as well, with seeking actual verification. Legal petition was for
The amendment to be allowed first.
civil application.
A civil application for amendment. 450.
456 to 459.
456 civil application amendment to be carried out. Main matter to be ordered to be listed on.
It's effective. Main matters are same as the
એક વખત તો amendment તો કરવી પડશે ને તમારે એની માટે તો મારે મેટર ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાં મોકલવી પડશે ને 14th રાખો 14
Please, madam.
amendment કરી દેજો
Please, madam.
The 62
આ ગ્રુપમાં છે તો ઉભા રહો
62 will be in the separate serial number 62.
62 કાઢી નાખો serial number 62
Separately not look at it.
સાહેબ સીરિયલ નંબર 52 છે સર એ
કઈ આ કે છે
ના ના આપણું બીજી પણ એક છે સર એ સ્ટેટ કેડર MPHW છે therefore that can be segregated issue the
નંબર 52 બી કાઢી નાખો
52.
52
સિરિયલ નંબર અને
જે હું આપી દઉં
મેટર નંબર
Three matters I may give check. Be permitted to file my vakal.
હા એ તો
Yes, please.
All the concern part, we may be giving check to concern.
you are for the panchayat
Yes, to the postmaster wherein we have received instruction but not received the petition. Or there are matters wherein we have received the advance copy but we are awaiting the
Instruction.
briefing. Yes.
May I make a suggestion? I just here. My lords have noted down whatever. My lords will probably also pass a draft order. My lords may have all these matters next week. By then we can also go to the draft order.
all right
And then by then they can also take instructions.
બુધવાર રાખો બધું જ
જી જી
હા આખું જ આ બોર્ડ બુધવારે આજે અલગ અલગ મેટર છે બધી બુધવારે નોટિફાઈડ એમાં કરી દેવા સેપરેટ બોર્ડ
અમે સાહેબ બધા સજેશન જેમને નહીં હોય એમને
so in the meantime I'll prepare the draft also
Please.
so we'll discuss on that day.
we are sorry to be giving so much trouble to this board.
It can be put to an end.
Sir, honest.
That way only on Wednesday. I'll carry it over.
હા
તારી કાપી આપણે બુધવારે કરશું.
એમને બુધવારે કરતો એની બુધવારે કરતો.
I will give to amend in fact.
તારે કેસ કાય છે
હું 4 મેટર આપી આપ
એ 4 માં લીવ ટુ અમેન્ડ કર દો
પ્લીઝ ઓકે
પેલું check
હવે બધું બુધવારે રાખીએ
હું
છે
અહીંયા જ છું
સપ્લિમેન્ટરી બોર્ડ પર બે છે હું નંબર આપી દઉં
આપી બુધવારે
જી
પ્લીઝ give you.
Grateful, my lords.
પ્લીઝ નોટ આઈ એમ અપ્લાઇ
યાદ રાખજે સેમ મૂકી છે બીજું પહેલી જ આવશે કાયમ Yes.
With the pension matters. I am eligible for 1,20,000 or they are only 8,000 rupees back. 480 and 3. I think priority is pension matter. But I am now 64 years old man.
As such young, but I will keep this matter only. All right. I can keep this matter on next week only. All right.
Mayor Liberty. Serial number 110 lordship. 110. One last time. May I mention lordship? 110 lordship. Last time my lords have heard this matter.